In front of me is REDMI Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find Cleanup app that's already on your device. It's called Cleanup. This one. After you find it, click on it. Wait. Click on Cleanup at the bottom and wait again. As you can see, after a few seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!